Welcome to Eeatz. In spirit of Valentine's Love Month,
And we are making hearts.
we're going to make heart-infused beauty collagen bars for mommies because we love mommies, hey? For the collagen gluten-free beauty bars for mom, you will need 1 cup of oats.
1 cup of oats.
Yep. 1/3 cup of honey or maple syrup if you want to make it a little vegan. You will need 1/3 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of almond flakes,
Cut that away.
1/3 of a cup of coconut flakes,
Yeah.
1/4 cup of almond ground, 1/3 cup of chia seeds, 1/3 cup of goji berries for energy, and then the secret ingredient of it all is 1/4 cup of a collagen super blend that has hemp, it has superfoods, a bit of macadamia nuts.
Put it in.
All right, we'll put it in, and we're putting it into the bowl. So here we go.
And next is this.
The next is the oats. Pour in the oats. Okay, wait first the dry ingredients. Take the chives, chia seeds, pour that in. Okay, what about the goji berries? Wow, where's the goji berries? It's gone. Oh my word. Sometimes the goji berries get stuck. You can buy.
I'll do it.
You can get from
I need
Eeatz.
some. Can you save some for me?
Okay.
That's enough.
All right. And then we'll pour in our almond ground. Pour in the almond ground. Okay, I'll pour it in. Coconut chips,
Cheese.
almond flakes.
Almond chips.
The next one is peanut butter. Let's pour that in. Good, peanut
let's mix it
butter. Hold on, before we get mixing. Can you grind a little salt in there?
Yep, I can.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, ground.
Next is mixing.
Let's mix it up. 1 heat spoon of chocolate powder. Okay, mix it up.
Chocolate.
Okay, are you ready to use your hands?
This is full.
The texture should be really gooey and sticky. You can either make round balls or you can actually paste this into a pan, or you can pop it into a little mold, whichever you prefer. This is the texture that you're looking for. Feel free to eat it. What we're going to do is we're going to place ours in a little pan. If you scrumple your wax paper, it will fit into the corners easier. So this is not recycled, this is just a tip and trick. So once we place the bars gently into the pan, we'll cover it with chocolate, cover it with cling wrap, and pop it into the fridge. So here we go. I'm going to suggest that you actually use your hands. If you would like, you can also add pumpkin seeds to the top of it. So if you want to add a bit of layer and texture, you can. And if you feel that your mixture is really sticking to your fingers, what you can do is just wash your hands and get back down into the concrete pounding. Okay, now we're ready to apply our chocolate sauce before going into the fridge. I did my own homemade chocolate, so it's a bit of coconut oil as well as dark chocolate or cacao, some honey, and a bit of coconut cream. Nice texture, it's quite nice and hot. We're just gonna layer this over. To finish it off, I'm going to add a few little seeds. There we go. And that is your collagen bar. This will then be placed into the fridge. I'm just gonna put some cling wrap. There we go. And that's ready to go into the fridge. Leave it overnight and enjoy in the morning.
This is the big house. We're
Can you-
going to eat.